If you're a solar installer or EPC company in the USA and you've ever felt confused, delayed, or frustrated by the solar permit process, this video is for you. Solar permitting is one of the least explained but most critical parts of any solar project, and in 2026, with tighter codes and stricter AHJs, understanding the process properly is more important than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through the solar permit process in the USA step by step in simple language, so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid delays. Many installers think permits are just paperwork, but in reality, the permit process controls your installation timeline, your labor scheduling, your customer satisfaction, your cash flow. One rejected or delayed permit can push a project back by weeks. When you understand the process clearly, you can plan better, reduce rework, speed up approvals, scale your solar business smoothly. So let's break it down step by step. The solar permit process actually starts before any design work. This step includes site address verification, roof type and condition, electrical service details, panel rating and meter location, local AHJ identification. Mistakes at this stage cause design errors later. Key point: bad site data, bad permit drawings, back rejection. Always collect accurate site information before moving forward. This is one of the most ignored steps. Every project must comply with local AHJ requirements, state building codes, NEC, National Electrical Code, fire department setbacks, utility interconnection rules. What's approved in one city may be rejected in another. In 2026, AHJs are enforcing local amendments more strictly than ever. Key point: permit design must be AHJ specific, not generic. Once requirements are clear, design work begins. This includes site plan, array layout, equipment selection, electrical design, structural design. Designs must be code compliant, clear and readable, matched with actual site conditions. This is where professional solar engineering plays a big role. A clean design up front saves weeks of revisions later. The SLD is one of the most important permit documents. AHJs carefully review conductor sizing, breaker and inverter ratings, rapid shutdown compliance, grounding and bonding, interconnection details. Common mistakes include incorrect wire sizing, missing labels, confusing layouts. In 2026, AHJs expect clear, NEC-compliant SLDs, not cluttered diagrams. Key point: if your SLD is clean, approval becomes much faster. Next comes structural verification. AHJs want to ensure roof can support the solar load. Attachments are correctly spaced, wind and snow loads are addressed, racking systems are approved. Many rejections happen due to missing calculations, wrong roof assumptions, no engineering justification. Key point: structural calculations are not optional, they are essential. At this stage, everything is compiled into a complete permit package, usually including cover sheet site plan, layout drawings, SLD, structural calculations, equipment data sheets, notes and code references. AHJs expect consistency across all pages, updated data sheets, clear legends and notes. One missing document can trigger a rejection. Now the permit is submitted. Online portal or physical submission, fees paid, application forms completed. After submission, the project enters a review stage. Review time can range from a few days to several weeks. This depends on the AHJ and permit quality. Very few permits are approved without comments. Common AHJ comments include clarification requests, calculation corrections, additional notes. The key here is how fast and how accurately you respond. Poor revisions create multiple review cycles. Longer delays, professional response, faster approval. Once AHJ comments are resolved, permit is approved, stamped documents are issued, installation can begin. At this point, your project officially moves forward. A smooth permit process saves time, money, stress. In 2026, the key to faster solar permits is accurate site data, AHJ-specific designs, clear SLDs, proper engineering support. Solar permitting is no longer just admin work, it's a technical process. If you're a solar installer or EPC company in the USA and want faster approvals, fewer rejections, and smoother projects, understanding the permit process is the first step. At GWRE, we support installers with solar permit design and engineering services tailored to US AHJ requirements. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share it with your team. We'll see you in the next video.